is Sanjay, and this is my blender thing or mixer. I'm not sure what it is yet. So this is the blender or mixer thing for my mom, because the other one for my mom, it broke. So that's why I had to make it a new one. First, it seemed like to me to make this kind of Ferris wheel, but it kind of looked a little bit bad because it would get stuck. That's why I made this blender. So it's very simple. You have to just connect. You just go to this WeDo 2.0 app. You have to get the motors for this, and then you just gotta on the program and let it spin, and then you have to put it like that. So let's connect it. Okay, so now it's Thank you.